Yo guys, what's up? This is Alvin Mark. Welcome to the Art Channel. We're back here in Chinatown, which only means one thing. It's Spring Fest 2021. We lie 1 degree north of the equator, which means that we get to skip fall and winter and jump straight into spring. My stall is not open. We'll check back later. We're gonna get something to munch. In the meantime, we'll go meet the Urban Sketchers. Yes, it is the first big sketch walk of the year with USKSg, and all over Singapore everyone's gearing up for one of the bigger festivals here on the island. It's none other than the Lunar New Year Festival. Holy cow, that's really huge. And somehow I think they got the color right because it looks like gold. Yep, it's the year of the cow. You'll be expecting a lot of cow puns. Let's go meet the early birds. Alright guys, so we are here on Smith Street. We've been here before, and just in case you don't know, this little strip here is actually called Banda Street. Yes, we have a Banda in Singapore. So in case you guys want to see how it is, this year is a little toned down with the festivities and celebrations because of you know what. Last year, the Lunar New Year Festival fell right before the lockdown that we had here in Singapore. So if you want to catch the festivities in its full glory 2020, you can click on this video link over here. Okay guys, so I'm right in front of this shop selling sausages. It's kind of a New Year thing, and I'm on the opposite side of the shop, planning to do a panoramic piece of this street with all the various shops. Good morning, Andrew.
Hey! Alvin.
How are you? Is this your second piece?
No lah. First piece.
Okay.
Kind of lazy. I want to do a quick one.
Yeah. It's looking really good. Uncle Andrew started urban sketching just a while back only and already he's producing masterpieces. Yeah, so this is very encouraging for all of us. Yeah, I first met him when August 2018 at Golden Mile.
That's right.
Yeah, that's right. So it's been just over 2 years, but he's improved so much. So hopefully this is proof that if you keep on sketching, you're just gonna get better. Name?
My name Ari. Haina. It's A-I-L.
China. Okay. Wow. Okay. Thank you. And you are?
Liu Sha.
Liu Sha? Okay. Wow.
Have it finished.
Okay. Very nice.
Thank you.
Do you use watercolor or marker?
Yes, watercolor and waterproof ink.
Waterproof ink. Okay. You have fun?
Yes.
Do you enjoy yourself?
Yes.
Okay.
What's your name?
Alvin.
Alvin.
Yeah.
Those color pencils,
Okay. Oh, okay. And then this watercolor.
watercolor. I like to mix both of them. Yeah.
And then this
This is using ink.
Chinese ink.
No,
Oh.
not Chinese ink. It's not water soluble ink. So and then I give the effect of the ink nail thing. Is it called ink? So it kind of disperses to give the effect
How do you do that?
by using water. So it smudges at the areas that I need.
Just want to check out Smith Street because like every year, there's supposed to be a lot of stores, so this year is different. So I just came over to see what has changed. I think it's a lot, slightly quieter than before, but still has more festive mood over here. It's a mix and match of different brands, a mix of Alvin, Daniel Smith, and Schmink as well. Yeah, so experimenting around.
You know what? I spot one of Singapore's veteran watercolorists. His name is Leong Chai Chai. Let's go check out his art. Mr. Leong 可以拍吗？可以啊 Thank you. Wow, look at that.
拍完了。
画一半，先拍人，然后等一下继续。坚持用方法。
没有，我是这样子，先比较今天啊，素描。
好，小姐没事。
Everyone, this is Dong Kong.
Hello, welcome to my Chinatown.
Yeah. Look at this. This is called large format. Large format. It's
245 by 70 cm.
Okay, thank you.
Chinese painting 8 feet, they call it.
8.
Yeah, 8 feet, yes. It's all about Chinatown.
Yeah, all about.
Welcome to Chinatown.
你这样画几天呢？
4 days or 5 days.
Oh, 4 days.
Okay. Take time lah. Slowly lah, take time.
I actually know Madam Tia can sing, so
From school, is it?
yeah, it's a long time ago. So
What are you using today?
today I just recently bought this new watercolor set from Amazon because I just saw ratings and I just bought because like I wanted to start as a beginner, so I thought this was the more valuable set.
It's called Mei
Yeah.
Liang.
Yeah, so far I think it's been working. It comes with a free, like this free portable brush thing.
Oh wow, okay.
Yeah. And like 36 colors.
Yeah.
So that's a lot of colors to.
Oh, this is your second piece.
Oh no, that one is more like a test piece.
Practice, okay.
Yeah.
Wow. It's like a thumbnail sketch kind
Yeah, it's all the messed up colors where I had to play, you see, with a lot of colors.
Oh wow.
If not, I don't know what color is what.
What made you decide to come to this session today?
That's because for a school project we have to build like a shelter for a watercolorist. I'm just trying to get his experience right now.
Ah, okay.
I used to go to this kids art lesson when I was back in primary school and secondary school. It's got like the Nafa kids. Initially, I just tried to go as accurate as possible initially. Then I realized that I couldn't do that. It's too hard. So I just tried to, you know, use my myopic eye to see the colors and values and to translate it onto the paper. That's all.
Thank you. Thank you. What brought you here?
Oh, I came here because Living asked me to come here, and I always wanted to go urban sketching, so yeah.
So, and it's your first time, right?
Yeah.
Okay, but you seem to have a lot of experience in drawing. Look at your lines.
But I always use like reference from like online. Yeah, that's my first time actually like looking and then like translating.
Right. But
I'm actually in engineering, but like drawing has always been my hobby, so like I've had a lot of practice.
okay, very good. Thank you. You using a fine liner?
Yeah, Sakura marker and Copic marker. So.
Thank you so much for your time, guys.
Thank
Enjoy.
you.
It's your first time? Urban sketches?
No, not my first time. I think it's fifth time or sixth time.
Okay. What made you come to this urban sketching session? This particular one?
My friend. Yeah.
Okay. What did you use to create this beautiful piece of art?
Watercolor and brushes and watercolor.
Okay, do you use a particular brand of watercolor or do you mix?
I will use Winsor and Newton. And for the paper, why? I really use this one.
Okay.
Yellow Rowdy.
Yellow Rowdy. Okay, fantastic. Do you have art background? It's so pretty.
The art background.
Okay.
Yeah. Architecture.
Okay, wow. Your turn.
Yeah.
Wow.
Just halfway, I haven't finished yet.
Wow, look at that.
See?
Yeah, that's fine. It looks like a postcard, a pretty little postcard.
Yeah. I use the pencil to draw, and then I use pen, then I use watercolor.
Wow, so it's 3 steps. It's pencil, and then ink, and then
I
pen,
have
and
to
then...
use pencil to draw first.
Okay, wow. You enjoy the process?
Yeah, quite fun.
Welcome. Is this your first time to the group?
It's my second time to the group.
Okay, how did you hear about urban sketches? Did a friend tell you about it, or you?
That's right. I heard it over a friend of a friend, actually. Yep.
Okay.
That's right.
Well, welcome.
Thank you.
What did you use to create your fabulous artwork today? What?
I have started off with a pencil sketch,
Okay.
and then did some outlines with ink pen.
Okay, it's like a fine liner kind of.
Yep. Correct.
Okay.
Then I went for the
Marker.
color brush pen.
Ah, okay. Thank you so much.
Yeah, welcome.
Guys, that's what it's all about. Meeting up, sharing ideas, sharing whatever materials that we use, learning from each other, and just being with like-minded people in pandemic times. Yeah, so we have our masks on, we're keeping a certain amount of distance apart from each sketcher. For those who are still in lockdown, our hearts are with you. Oh! Show your stuff! What do you use?
Watercolor?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What,
I mixture of brand.
Okay.
Yeah. White Knights.
White Knights,
White Knights
yeah.
for the yellow.
Okay.
And then I'm using Mr. Newton.
Okay. What's this black line?
Oh, this brand I use pen now.
Yeah. So watercolor and pen.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. And pencil for the outline.
Okay.
Happy New Year.
Yeah, Happy New Year. Thanks for Right guys, check who's in Starbucks.
The spot, guys.
Alright, so the shop is finally open. Let's go get some nutmeg. Hello, 请问有没有豆蔻？有没有？哦，对，多少那一包？6块，是白色，是冰城的。多一包可以吗？两包。It's the fresh preserve kind. It's not the preserve kind, if you know what I mean. 很难找哦，这个。
对，比较少有。你要它的水吗？如果你要。
不了。Just so you know, guys, I'm munching on these chilled crunchy nutmeg snacks while editing this video. It's so good. It's evening time here at Chinatown, and what's the Lunar New Year celebrations like if you can't even catch it at night? And look, the watermill even rotates. It's a windy evening here at New Bridge Road. All the elements are right for a paint out. The only tricky bit is the flashing billboard lights from the entrance of Chinatown Point Mall. I have to paint as if it's not happening. Also, another thing I had to brush aside were the few photography enthusiasts who wanted some likes on their Instagram page. I just let them have their fun. I always find painting subjects with many light sources confusing at times. Looking at this ox lantern again during the day, I think it's a lot more straightforward to paint during broad daylight. This is Alvin. I hope you enjoyed this episode. For all those of you up there in the northern hemisphere, continue to stay warm, and for the rest of us around the world, continue to be safe. Until the next episode, guys, this is Alvin Mark from my art channel. Ciao ciao!